This 2017 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3029W is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, slideout, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, TV, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, DVD player, awning, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3029W is 7,772 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.